Hello student, I am Professor Gagre SM from Computer Department. Institute name is So Sundarbai Manik Adsul Polytechnic, SAS Ahmednagar. Today we will see the second practical of a data structure using C subject. The practical name is Search a data using a linear search. The practical significance is that in order to perform some operations on a specific data element, the data has to be searched in a data collection and the system requires following search method. One of the most commonly used method is a linear search for searching a data from the given list. Here you have to perform a search operations on a given list. The given list is that suppose there are five elements in the list and you have to find one element or one number of the given list. So we use a linear search method for these particular operations. The practical skills is that this practical is expected to develop the following skills in you. Develop a C programs to solve broad-based computer group related problems. For every practical, we require some algorithms and flowchart. So here the first stage is that write algorithm and draw flowchart for a linear search. Here you have to write one algorithm for linear search. After that you have to flowchart. The second stage is that after write algorithm, you have to write a C program. After that, compile it and debug it, and finally you get the output of that particular program. So this is the practical skills. Next, we will see the course outcome, that is a CO for this practical. The CO is that apply a different search and sorting techniques. After that, we see practical outcomes, that is PROS. Practical outcome is that implement a C program to search a particular data from the given array using linear search method. Here you have to use a linear search method. For this practical, we require some theoretical background. We already seen in a theory what is the searching, what are the type of searching, why we use a searching. So we already know that what is the searching. Here the definition is says that searching is just a finding out the data item among the given list. There are two cases are possible that either the item is found or the item not present in the list. When we use a searching method or searching technique in the list for finding the particular elements or data, then there are two possibilities. Either the element is found at one location, otherwise the element is not present in the given list. Now we will see a linear search. What is the linear search? Linear search is a very simple search algorithm. In this, sequential search is done by searching items one by one. In linear search, we search the element one by one. Here we visited every locations in the given list. After that, we compare the searching elements or searching number the given list. Each item is a check, and if a match is found, then that particular item is returned. Otherwise, the search is a continuous till end of the list of item. If we found the element in the list, then we return its location. Otherwise, we have to continuously move till the end of the list. If item which is to be searched is not present in the list, then search is called as unsuccessful search. Here the one example is given that here some numbers are given in a list and we have to search one element in that list. The element is we have to search, that is 28. So we starting from the first location, we compare 28 with 5. Then we see that 28 is not equal to 5. So the first location is not searched. So we move to next location. We compare 28 with 16. Again 28 is not equal to 16. So we have to move to next location. Then we compare 28 with 2. Again search is again number is not equal to, so we have to go to next location. After that 28 with compare 26, again not equal to, so we have to move to next location. 28 with equal to 28, so number is equal to, so our element is found at a given location is 4. So search is successful, means our result is successful. So in that way we use a linear search algorithm or a linear search. Now we see resources required. Which are the resources we require? We require one computer system, that is with high computation i3 or i5 processor with preferable RAM above 22 GB, about 2 GB. And we see operating system. There are two operating systems, Windows or Linux. After that we require one software that is well-known software, Turbo C or C++. Now we will see the program. Here I am explaining you a program of a linear search. Here we require two libraries, that is Stadio standard input, and second one is Conio, that is console input output. These are the two header files of this program. Now we will see main program or main method, void main. This is your main method. In that we require one array. We created integer a20, that is array of a 20 size, and the array name is a. Then we see some variables I, x, n. After that we see printf statement. This printf statement is used for getting input from the user. Here user have to give how many elements he want to in list. Suppose here user is given 6 elements, then scanf function, in that scanf, here 9 is as a 6. Why 9 is as 6? Because user have enter 6 element, so number of elements is 6. That's why 6 is comes in that variable. After that there is one again printf statement. This statement is that enter array elements. Here user have to enter the 6 elements in the array or in the list. For this purpose we require one for loop. For loop is that I equal to 0, I is less than n, and plus plus I. After that we use one scanf function. In that scanf we use array of I. Here user have to enter 6 elements, and these elements are stored in this array. After 6 elements the insertion operation is stopped, or we cannot insert new elements because of the array size is 6, or 6 elements user have to insert. So that's why array will give us 6 elements in scanf. After that here we use one printf statement for searching an element or searching the atom in the list. Then we see one scanf function, scanf for send and x. The x means those elements or key or item we have to search in the list. This comes in that x. After that we use one for loop. Again, why this for loop we use? Because for we have to check all the elements in the list. That's why we use this for loop. Here if condition is check with given value. Here Suppose I am saying that we have to search 28, so my values 28 is comes in that X, and 28 values is compared with the list elements. After that, if the element is found, then we get proper location of that element. If element is not found, then we get element not found. In that way, the linear search is operated. Now we will see the practical of this with Turbo C software. So here is the now we will see the practical of this linear search. Here I am using two library files, that is stadio.h and conio.h. Now we require one main method, that is void main method. Then we use some variable. The variable R. First we have to create one array. The size of array is 20 and the name of array is A. Then we will use variables I, X and N. Now I am using a clear screen. This clear screen is used to clear your screen of output. Then I am using one printf statement. This printf statement is for how many elements you have to enter. Here user suppose giving values of 5 elements, then these values comes in a scanf statement under this variable n. We already declare n variable. Then I am using another printf statement. This printf statement is for enter the array elements. Here user have to enter array elements. I am already given suppose 5 size, then here I have to enter 5 array elements. After that I am using another scanf statement. This scanf statement is used for storing the array element which user has to enter. Then I am using one printf statement. This printf statement is for searching the element in the given array. Here X is used for searching or a key element which we have to search in array. Okay. Now I am explaining you. Here suppose I am giving value 6, then the values comes in X. After that this 6 is compared with this array element which I already entered. If the given number and array elements are equal, then the if statement is gives us values of the element at which index. If the element is not equal, then else statement gives as result element not found. Now we will run this program. Then we see that here I am giving values suppose 5, then I have to enter 5 elements in the array. So I am entering the elements of an array 20, 10, then 30, then 40 and then 60. Now here we have to search element which we want to search from this given array. Suppose I am giving values 30. This values comes in my x. So 30 I am giving. Then output is that element found at index 2. Now we will see that the index 0 is a 20, index 1 is a 10, and index 2 is a 30. So our answer is correct. In this way, we can use a linear search. So the second practical is completed. In the next video, we will see the next practical. Thank you.